The average car on the road today is 12.5 years old, a record high. But here's the cold, hard truth. Most modern engines are engineered with a planned obsolescence that triggers catastrophic wear right around the 100,000-mile mark. What if you could flip the script and push your engine to 300,000 or even 500,000 miles? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 13 additives that act as life support for your vehicle. These aren't just shelf fillers, they are the exact formulations I've used to keep high-mileage legends on the road. And you'll want to stick around until the end because I'm also exposing 3 poison additives that will chemically scar your engine internals. Let's get into it. Tip 13. Liqui Moly Mo-S2 Anti-Friction. Kicking things off at number 13 is a German engineering staple, Liqui Moly Mo-S2 Anti-Friction. Most people think oil alone is enough, but under high-load situations that oil film can actually shear and break. When that happens, it's metal-on-metal violence. Mo-S2 molybdenum disulfide works differently. It creates a semi-permanent, low-friction carpet on your engine's internal surfaces. I've performed teardowns on engines that ran this stuff for years, and the cylinder walls still had the original factory cross-hatching at 200,000 miles. It's a dry lubricant that stays behind even if your oil drains away. Just a heads up, it's perfect for older engines and differentials, but keep it away from limited slip diffs or motorcycles with wet clutches, or you'll be dealing with a slipping mess. It's cheap insurance for a gearbox you want to keep forever. Tip 12. Marvel Mystery Oil. Coming in at number 12 is a product that's been polarizing the car community since 1923, Marvel Mystery Oil. Some call it snake oil, but products don't stay on the shelf for over a century by being useless. Think of Marvel as a soft detergent. Modern oils are great, but they can struggle with the varnish and stickiness that develops in hydraulic lifters and piston rings over 10 years of driving. I've used this to quiet down ticking engines that other mechanics said needed a full teardown. You can run it in the fuel to lubricate the upper cylinder or in the oil to dissolve sludge. It's a classic for a reason. It keeps the vascular system of your car clear of blockages. Tip 11. SDA-BIL Storage Fuel Stabilizer. At number 11, we have the ultimate defender against the ethanol silent killer, SDA-BIL storage. Gasoline today is more like a chemistry experiment than a fuel. Within 30 to 60 days, it begins to oxidize, turning into a sticky varnish that clogs injectors and ruins fuel pumps. If you have a weekend car or a lawnmower that sits, you are literally inviting a $1,000 repair bill. SDA-BIL keeps that fuel chemically bright for up to 24 months. I've pulled apart carburetors that sat for 3 years with this stuff, and they looked brand new. If you aren't driving your car every single week, skipping this is just gambling with your fuel system. Tip 10. Royal Purple Ice. Next up at number 10, we're talking about the enemy of every aluminum head, heat. Royal Purple Ice isn't just colored water. It's a wetting agent. It breaks down the surface tension of your coolant, allowing it to actually touch the microscopic pores of the metal radiator and engine block. In high-performance or heavy towing scenarios, I've seen this drop cylinder head temperatures by 15 degrees. That is the difference between a successful trip and a warped head gasket that totals your vehicle. It's a simple pour and forget way to give your cooling system a massive efficiency boost. Tip 9. Redline Water Wetter. Holding strong at number 9 is Redline Water Wetter. This one is a legend in the racing world, but it's often misunderstood by daily drivers. The secret to water wetter isn't just cooling, it's hot spot prevention. Bubbles can form on the hottest parts of your engine's internal cooling jackets, creating tiny pockets of extreme heat where the coolant isn't touching the metal. This stuff eliminates those bubbles. But a pro tip from my shop, don't just dump this into old brown coolant. You need to flush the system with distilled water first. Use it right, and your water pump and radiator will thank you for the next decade. Tip 8. Lucas Transmission Fix. Sliding into number 8 is the Hail Mary of the automotive world, Lucas Transmission Fix. Let's be real, if your transmission has a shattered sun gear, no bottle is going to fix that. But if you're experiencing morning, the car hesitates to shift when cold or slight slipping, this is the most effective band-aid ever made. It's incredibly thick and contains stop-leak agents that rejuvenate hardened rubber seals. I've seen this bottle buy owners an extra 2 years of life on a transmission everyone else said was dead. It's the ultimate get me home or buy me time solution. Tip 7. Lubiguard Automatic Transmission Protectant Red Bottle. At number 7, we have the professional secret, Lubiguard Red. While Lucas is the heavy hitter for failing gearboxes, Lubiguard is the precision instrument for healthy ones. Most transmission shops use this as a booster for ATF. It contains wax esters that mimic the high-end lubricants that used to be in transmission fluids before environmental regulations changed the formulas. It cuts operating temperatures by up to 40 degrees. Remember, heat is what kills transmissions. If you can keep the fluid cool, you can keep the gears turning indefinitely. I recommend this for every single vehicle that does heavy city driving or towing. Tip 6. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Number 6 is a shop legend, Seafoam. This is the Swiss Army knife of car care. What makes Seafoam special is its 100% petroleum base. It's safe for seals, safe for sensors, and incredibly aggressive on carbon. If your car has a rough idle or has lost that pep it had 5 years ago, carbon buildup on the intake valves is likely the culprit. You can fog this through the intake or run it in the tank. The smoke show you see out the tailpipe. That's years of performance-robbing gunk being vaporized. It's a ritual every car owner should perform once a year. Tip 5. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. Cruising into number 5 is the nuclear option, BG44K. You won't find this at most big box retailers. It's usually reserved for dealerships and high-end shops. Why? Because it's incredibly concentrated. While cheaper cleaners might take 5 tanks to show results, BG44K cleans the entire fuel system, injectors, combustion chambers, and oxygen sensors in one single tank. If you failed an emissions test or your fuel economy has tanked, this is the professional-grade reset button for your engine's efficiency. Tip 4. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. At number 4 we have the gold standard, Chevron Techron. This is one of the few additives actually recommended by name in the service manuals of BMW, GM, and Toyota. It uses a specific chemistry called polyethyramine that survives the heat of the combustion chamber to clean the back of your valves. Most cheap additives burn up before they can do any real work. Techron is the surgical strike of fuel cleaners. If you want to keep your fuel gauge working and your injectors spraying a perfect mist, run a bottle of this every 3,000 miles. Tip 3. Archoil AR9100 Friction Modifier. We're hitting the podium now. At number 3 is Archoil AR9100. If you own a diesel, especially a Ford Power Stroke, this is non-negotiable, but even in gas engines it's a game changer. Archoil uses a nanoborate technology that bonds to metal surfaces under heat and pressure. It's so slick that it can actually solve stiction issues where engine components are literally sticking together due to burnt oil. It reduces the clatter of your engine and makes cold starts effortless. It's high-tech science in a bottle, and the results are measurable on a dyno. Tip 2. Liqui's Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. The runner-up at number 2 is a bottle you've seen in every truck stop in America, Liqui's Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. This stuff is essentially viscosity insurance. In high-heat environments like a long road trip across the desert or hauling a heavy trailer, standard oil can become thin like water. Liqui stays thick. It increases oil pressure and stops the dry starts that cause 90% of engine wear. It's the backbone of the long-haul trucking industry for a reason. It works when the conditions are at their absolute worst. Tip 1. Liqui Moly Cera Tec. Finally, the crown jewel at number 1, Liqui Moly Cera Tec. This isn't just an additive, it's a ceramic coating for the inside of your engine. It contains microceramic particles that fill in the microscopic pits and scratches on your metal surfaces. Unlike other additives that you have to add every time, Cera Tec bonds to the metal and stays there for up to 30,000 miles. That's nearly 3 or 4 oil changes of protection from one bottle. It reduces friction so significantly that you will actually hear your engine get quieter within 10 minutes of adding it. If you want your car to be the one that reaches the 500,000-mile club, this is your ticket. The poison list, what to avoid. I promised you the poison additives and here they are. First, chlorinated paraffins. Some miracle additives use these because they are incredibly slick, but under high heat they turn into hydrochloric acid inside your engine, eating your bearings from the inside out. Second, stop leak products with pellets. These are intended for radiators, but the solid particles can clog the narrow passages in your heater core, leaving you with a cold cabin and a clogged engine. Third, engine flushes with high solvents. If you have a high-mileage car, a harsh solvent flush can break loose too much gunk at once, clogging your oil pickup screen and starving the engine of oil in seconds. If you found this valuable, do me a favor, hit that like button and comment below with which additive you swear by. Our next video exposes the one type of engine oil you should never use in a modern car. Click here to watch that now, and I'll see you in the next one.